Hi, I'm Scott. This is SEMA 2025. I'm here with Cody in the Roadster Shop. Cody's going to tell us about this awesome Fox body Mustang. Okay, Cody, tell us about Velocity Restorations and this awesome Fox body.
Hey guys, I'm Cody from Velocity. We've got this 91 Fox body notchback here this week. Beautiful car. Here at Velocity, we are manufacturing production minded. So we're going to be building these cars on our assembly lines. What you're looking at here today, we built this car in about 16 weeks. So we're building everything in 4 months. So unlike everybody else, if you want a car like this, you're usually waiting years for it to be built. We can turn this thing around for you in 4 months, and we supply the donors. So we do all the hard work. You pick all your specs and we go to work for you.
Awesome. If somebody had a car already, would you build it or would you prefer just to work with a donor car?
Yeah, it's a really good question. So if you have your own car, it's really finicky if we want to use it or not. We're going to have to really see some really good pictures of it, carpet out of it, need to know if it's been in an accident. We want to start with really clean donors, and that's actually what we had here with this car today.
So tell me what goes into the program, kind of where do you start from the ground up?
Yeah, so a brand new build like this, never done it before. Obviously the foundation is the Roadster Shop spec chassis. That's kind of what makes this car and gives it the drivability that it has. From there, we're production minded, so we want to think about how we're going to build 5, 6, 10 of these vehicles. So obviously this is our street package that you're looking at. So you're going to have the 3-liter inverted Whipple with the Gen 4X. You're going to be making about 800 horsepower there. You got a 10R80. We will offer a T56 option, so those guys that want the third pedal, we can handle you. This car is going to be outfitted with 18x9s in the front, 18x12s in the rear. These are CCW 3-piece billet wheels. We got a 335 tire in the rear, so all that power that you're going to be making, you're going to be able to put it to the ground. But with all that go, you got to have a little bit of whoa. So we got the 14-inch bare brakes on this car, so it stops really well. It handles really well. It does everything you want it to do. If you're one of those guys, you want to go autocross or you just want to go to the street, just enjoy it. It's going to do all those things. I'd be comfortable taking this thing and go drag racing with it too. You can set it up for it. It is very capable for anything you want to do.
One of the things that it's most striking about this car is it is just clean everywhere. The paint is immaculate. I mean, you can see yourself in the reflection of the back black paint. The engine bay, you can eat out of there. Tell me about how you restore the actual car. I mean, it looks like the headlights, it looks like the emblems, headlight, every single thing on the car looks like it's been replaced.
Yeah, so this was a really clean 4-cylinder car we got out of Georgia. Luckily, the car was in really good condition. We were able to actually retain all the original sheet metal. We replaced the hood because of the blower, put new bumpers on it. Everything else is original body. But yes, every nut and bolt on this car is brand new. It has been completely taken apart down to the shell, put on a rotisserie. We've sandblasted this thing. We put an epoxy primer, did all of our body work, cleaned up the engine bay a little bit. We took out the old shock towers, just gave it more of a modern look to it. But yeah, we wanted to keep it real period correct. That's what everybody's been saying about this car when they see it this week. It's almost like if we were just to modernize it just a little bit, it's what the car would be today if Ford was to release a Fox body. But just touch everything, just enhance it, but don't change it. So that's what we really enjoyed about this thing.
So what did you do in the interior?
Yeah, so if we come over here and look at the interior is one of the coolest things I like about this car. You can see we got a Spark Industry steering wheel here. We took that stock steering wheel and kind of put it on a diet, modernized it a little bit, still got our factory cruise control buttons, cleaned up the door panels, reconstructed the armrest. I know you guys out there that love that saggy pocket in the door.
Oh yeah.
We had to get rid of it. Touched everything on the dash. You can tell we got Alcantara, some painted parts, redesigned the console, just kind of updated it a little bit. We didn't want it to look like a spaceship. We got the stock shifter still in it. Got vintage air in this car, Dakota digital gauges, Recaro seats. We got custom carpet in it, and just really picked a period correct kind of insert to go in these seats, and it really just screams 1991 when you look inside this thing. But at the same time, everything has been updated.
Yeah, it's funny that you say that. It is very period correct. It's not like a spaceship. It's not like anything too wild, but it's just very it's simple in a good way. Is what I would probably put it. Very clean, simple, almost understated.
Yeah, there's always a recipe with cars like this, and if you got the wrong ingredients, you're not going to get it. You're not going to hit it. So when we went for period correct, I think it turned out amazing.
And for the engine, you had mentioned, so this is 850 horsepower package?
It's about 800 horsepower, the Whipple 3-liter and the Gen 4X. We should be making pretty good power. We should have it on the dyno probably within a week or so. We got about 500 miles on the car. We just wanted to really make sure we were breaking it in correctly. Other than that, it should make really good power.
So Gen 4X, so is that a Ford Performance-based crate engine?
Yeah, it's a really good question. The Gen 4X is a Ford Performance package. So the new Gen 4 has come out and it has split throttle bodies. Makes it really hard to package in just about everything. So Ford went back, redesigned the intake a little bit so us Restomod builders could put a single throttle body on it. It's just a little bit easier to use and package. But yeah, this is probably the first Gen 4X with a Whipple that you're going to see out there today.
Awesome. So then it's got the Ford control pack for EFI and all that fun stuff.
Yeah, this car is Ford control pack. We do build a lot of other Ford products. So we've had really good luck with it, but it took a little bit of pioneering with HP tuners to get this thing dialed in. Brand new software, brand new control pack, brand new engine. A little bit of a learning curve, but we got getting her dialed in.
What's your favorite part about this car?
I think it's what we've talked about, just the overall period correct look. It's been updated, it's clean, it checks all the boxes. It's got the wheels, it's got the tires, it's got a really nice comfortable interior. It's got a hell of a focal stereo system in it. It just looks clean and modern, and that's what I really love about it.
Awesome. And how many of these do you plan on making?
We got 5 on the schedule for next year, but that could change. We could definitely build more if the market supports it.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
All right, thank you.